So starting out in the 20s is above normal. Yeah, it's below freezing. That's a problem with the precipitation that we had, but at least it is going to be a mild day and a high of 33, which is above normal. It's going to stay in the 30s this week. It's going to be a pretty mild week in the Northwoods today, 29 in Presque Isle, 31 in Rhinelander. A lot of cloud cover out there. And in the southern part of the area, maybe in the mid 30s in Adams at 35 there and 34 in Chile. We do have a winter weather advisory once again for tonight into tomorrow morning, because of more freezing rain. That's the problem with the mild air that you get in the middle of winter, is that when the precipitation comes through, a lot of times it can be icy. So most of today just kind of cloudy. Tonight, here you see some of that pink. You don't want to see that here on the future track because that indicates freezing rain, and there could be 1/10 of an inch or more on the roadways, and especially the southern half of the area, Marathon County on south, going into Tuesday morning. So your morning commute tomorrow morning could be rather treacherous before it turns a little bit milder in the afternoon. We'll have cloudy skies tomorrow in the afternoon, and eventually that should give way to maybe a couple breaks in the clouds on Wednesday, but still pretty mild day. It's going to be in the 30s all week, so that's the good news, is that even though it's going to be icy tomorrow morning, we should see a high of 35 tomorrow afternoon. So hopefully the roads will get a little bit better, and then 36 on Wednesday, 38 on Friday. Not good for snow lovers until the weekend. That's when it's going to turn a little bit colder. We could start to see some snow develop on Friday and maybe a few inches going into Saturday. It will be windy and turning colder, 27 on Saturday, around 24 on Sunday. And later in the month, the middle of the month, it looks like maybe the precipitation could still stay fairly active around the northern tier of states.